1996 Toyota T100. I got a truck here, fails smog. It's failing for NOx only, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. So I took it to smog. It failed right here for NOx, way too much high NOx. Only NOx though. Everything else measured good, which is good because that's an indication that the cat is working. I'm going to show you what I did to repair mine and make it pass smog. Here's my passing numbers. As you can see, it says pass both right there. And I replaced both oxygen sensors. Now, like I said before, if you're failing for only NOx, it's kind of a good thing because that means your cat's probably okay, your catalytic converter. Now, what causes high NOx? Vacuum leaks, carbon buildup. If the engine is running hot, if you have any cooling system problems, like a plugged radiator or you're low on coolant or oil, that could cause it. Also, air intake leaks that cause a lean condition. So what you want to do is come in here, make sure there's no rips in your air boots, make sure that there's no air intake leaks, make sure your coolant system is tip-top. These are just the basics that you would check before focusing in on your O2 sensors, but mine was all good, so I went underneath and I seen my rear O2 sensors. These were like the OEM ones. This car has over 200,000 miles on it, so these guys are old. I have a video on how to replace the O2 sensors. I also have the parts linked below, and they're also linked on the video that I made to create it. So the front one, you can still get a Toyota OEM one, which I highly recommend, and the rear one has to be DENSO because Toyota stopped making the rear O2 sensor. But here's the part numbers, they're linked below, and the gasket if you need an extra gasket. Usually the sensors come with a new gasket, so you don't need to get this. But yeah, check out my video on how to replace the rear O2 sensors. I show how to do both of them, and then after that I went and got it smogged, and everything else was working properly, so it passed smog no problem. And this could also be used for Toyota Tacomas, Tundras, any kind of like Toyota truck that was from the 90s. These O2 sensors go bad. They're kind of like the only sensor on a car that could get tired and kind of lazy and stop working as good. Other sensors, when they fail, they just fail straight up. But anyways, guys, so check the link below for the replacement, and I'll see you there. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for HIGHLYY.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the HIGHLYY website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.